2012 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it got a third converter right there. Then we did a 3-inch to 2.5-inch MAGNAFLOW 14-inch body muffler. He didn't want it too loud. Then 2.5-inch tailpipes on each side into 4-inch double wall tips right there and right there. If you guys want any of this, there's a link in the description. There it is. One of them out the side. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Tell us what you guys think of the sound in the comments.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like